Hey everyone, Delphi Trading Group here with our weekly trade and UOA recap that we put out every week, kind of going over how our week went and kind of helping all of you out there to kind of see what we're doing here at Delphi, which is nothing short of incredible. And if we go into our Delphi room, again, this is on Discord, our channel where we do all our amazing stuff. We just had an absolute massive week trading for the community here in the Delphi room. And again, all our trades are posted here in our Discord and are journalized. So the proof is in the pudding. And if we look at just the trades that we have here off of the Delphi signal alone, okay, if we take a deeper look in here, we went 3-0, okay, for the week on our trades off of the Delphi signal, okay, picking up over 2.5% just on those trades for the portfolio. But, you know, if we look at to what we did overall for the week, now again, we have trades from the UOA channel, we have trades that we see maybe technical setups, trades from the Delphi signal. Again, nothing short of just incredible, just an absolute monster week. We don't believe we've ever gone at almost a 94% clip, going 15-1. And this losing trade was actually a call roll that we did on MicroStrategy, MSTR. So really, going into that roll, we were 14-0, picking up over 2.4%. And I mean, this profit factor is just ridiculous. So again, just nothing short of incredible what we keep doing here at Delphi. And again, if we look at some of our trades that we took, AVGO, we will talk about Broadcom, UOA, that yesterday crazy 0 DTE UOA. We traded it twice and, you know, picked up almost 250% on two trades. Okay, again, here's the MicroStrategy that we picked up 77%. Okay, Galaxy was UOA, Lulu was UOA. Again, ICE was the Delphi signal, picked up 76%. And Meta, which we'll talk about, monster 125% cashed out that we did there. And again, if we look a little lower, again, more, you know, trades here again, Delphi signal, UOA, Delphi signal. So again, nothing but wins here for us in the Delphi room. And again, we're not just all about options trades. We do have crypto. You know, we've been recently adding back to our long-term crypto folio. This was absolutely crazy. Here we added this position, long-term position on Filecoin, FIL. We got in down here around $1.30, and it has just exploded, almost hit $4 recently. And we think this thing is just getting started. So again, we offer way more than options trading. You know, Leviathan is in here. No words for what he's doing day in and day out, really. Look at this absolute monster explosion of a trade, rocket ship, whatever you want to call it. 426% on this crypto trade. Simply, again, no words. And again, shout out to him of what he's doing here. And he's doing it also in our futures channel, crushing futures trades. And look, you see what he does here. He puts out the trade he's taking before he takes it. Okay? And then he updates it as he goes. And this futures trade, he ended up cashing out around 40%. Actually went up to 70-point jump for him on that futures trade. So again, shout out to him. But if we look at our UOA channel, and again, looking at AVGO, we can see somebody yesterday came in, bought these 0 DTEs on Broadcom. This is Broadcom AVGO. Okay, they bought these, you know, at around $1.90, and then they added more here. You can see we say added more. Again, these expired yesterday, pretty much at the money. And we looked at this, and this is what we do here. Nobody does at Delphi. Okay, we parse out the option flows. Okay, we go to our charts channel. We look at the chart, and you can see here what we said. AVGO in trouble. Okay, it was under the 50-day moving average, and we thought it could drop further and fairly quickly yesterday. So we posted a trade in our chat here. You can see followed AVGO 0 DTE at $1.30. Okay, we actually went with different puts on that for $1.30, and again, we showed you what those did in our weekend review channel in our folio. So again, that's what we do here at Delphi. And again, looking at those actual UOAs we posted, we posted those at $1.88, $1.90. They got as high as $8. I mean, a complete rocket ship there on those 0 DTEs. Okay, crazy gains. And it didn't stop there. Nvda, we had some crazy Nvda put buying here. We all know what happened in the markets. They absolutely tanked going into the end of the day yesterday, but we bounced. But regardless, somebody came in, and there were too many Nvidia UOA puts being bought up here at 209, 210, 212. We're showing you these here. Somebody came in and bought these roughly 2.4 million. Okay, close to the money. And they bought these at $3.20. Okay, and like we just said, the market's tanked. And look at this absolute explosion. Posted those at $3.20. They got as high as over $27, almost a 10x gain on those in a couple days. Again, we all know what the markets did. The markets came down pretty heavy up until yesterday, second half of the day. They came in and they bought it. But again, no words here. And this was not even the biggest one of the week. Okay, look at Meta. We showed you our Meta position that I think we cashed out 125% there on those puts we took. We took those puts because, again, we saw UOA come through. Somebody came in and bought these. Look at this. They bought these 645 puts. Okay, Meta was roughly $30 higher. Again, these expired yesterday. They bought these for $4.15 over 1.5 million. Okay, we followed via other puts that we cashed out for. We showed you guys that. But just look at what these did. Absolutely no words here. Over a 10x gain, $4.15 to almost $43 for that monster rocket ship of a UOA. Absolutely credible. And again, nobody's doing what we do here. We say it every week, week in and week out. Nobody's doing here what we're doing with option flows. And again, and our community just keeps crushing it. So that's it from us here at Delphi Trading. Hope you guys enjoyed this. We did hit, again, all our targets on our weekly market report. All three indexes, all three targets hit. We are over a 95% win rate on our index forecasts every week. So please check that out. Again, we will do that again next week, post out another market report. But that's it from us. Have a great weekend, and we will talk to you soon.